Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the charger model and whether it's under warranty, because that affects whether you open it. Next, unplug everything and power cycle the outlet and adapter. Make sure you test with a known good USB cable to isolate the problem. While you're doing that, inspect the pad surface and the coil area for debris or warping, and note the device alignment marks so you can reproduce proper placement once you move to internal checks. Once done with external checks, open the unit carefully using the correct drivers and a plastic spudger to avoid damaging the casing. Look for cracked solder joints, loose connector pins, or burns on the PCB because those cause intermittent charging. Reflow or resolder only if you have experience. Make sure to test the coil continuity and key capacitor voltages with a multimeter to confirm power delivery. If values are out of spec, replace the faulty components or the coil assembly. You now repair or replace the identified faulty parts. Resolder loose joints, replace a damaged coil or capacitor, and secure connectors. Reapply adhesive or gasket as needed. Reassemble the charger, making sure to align the pad with the device alignment marks and use a certified cable and adapter to verify operation. Finally, test with at least 2 phones and a thin case. If charging still fails, try swapping the coil or pursue a warranty claim as the one key troubleshoot.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.